Find the area of the trapezium whose parallel sides are 57 cm and 33 cm and the distance between them is 13 cm. এটারে A is equal to 57 cm, B is equal to 33 cm, H is equal to 13 cm. Area of the trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus B whole into H, 1 by 2 into 57 plus 33 whole into 13, 1 by 2 into 90 into 13. तो आंसर है 585 cm square. 2 नंबर प्रश्न. The area of a trapezium is 850 square centimeter. One of the parallel sides is 64 centimeter and the perpendicular distance between the parallel sides is 17 centimeter. Find the length of other parallel side. एठारे एरिया देदेला 850 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर, ए देदेला 64 सेंटीमीटर, एच देदेला 17 सेंटीमीटर. हमको बी पचारला तो हाफ इंटू ए प्लस बी होल इंटू एच इज इक्वल टू 850. तो 64 प्लस बी इंटू 17 इज इक्वल टू 850 इंटू 2. दुईटा ये डिवाइड थी से जाए इंटू होगा. तो 64 प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू 850 इंटू 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 17 काटिदेले ये होगा 100. बी इज इक्वल टू 100 माइनस 64 दैट इज इक्वल टू 36 सेंटीमीटर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. द एरिया ऑफ ए ट्रापेजियम इज 1586 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर and sum of parallel sides is 122 cm. Find the distance between two parallel sides. एठी एरिया दी देला 1586 cm square. A plus B sum of parallel sides समांतर रेखा द्वारा जोगफल 122 cm. H is equal to dash. तो हाफ इंटू A plus B whole into H is equal to 1586 cm square. तो हाफ इंटू 122 into H is equal to 1586. दूर काटिदेले 61. H is equal to 1586 divided by 61. तो काटिदेले एटा गला 26 सेंटीमीटर. एटा गला हाइट बा उच्चता. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. If the area of trapezium is 28 meter square and two parallel sides are 8 meter and 60 decimeter respectively, find the altitude. Area is equal to 28 meter square. A is equal to 8 meter, B is equal to 60 decimeter, is equal to 60 by 10, that is equal to 6 meter. H is equal to dash. Half into A plus B whole into H is equal to 28 meter square. 1 by 2 into 8 plus 6 into H is equal to 28. H is equal to 28 into 2 divided by 14, that is equal to 4 meter. Find the height of a trapezium whose area is 1080 cm square and lengths of its parallel sides are 55.6 cm and 34.4 cm. Area is equal to 1080 cm square. A is equal to 55.6 cm and B is equal to 34.4 cm. H is equal to dash. So half into A plus B whole into H is equal to 1080. Half into 55.6 plus 34.4 into H is equal to 1080. Half into 90 into H is equal to 1080. H is equal to 1080 into 2 divided by 90. 0 0 कटिगला 9 रे काटिदेले 12 into 24 cm. तो हाइट बाहरी गला 24 cm. बर्तमान 5 प्रश्न करदेले पुणी आउ अन्य प्रश्न गुड़िक करवा.